Hey everybody, Roger Levin here with your orthodontic practice production pearl of the week. Now, 9 out of 10 of my pearls are probably on production and referrals and systems, because referrals and systems create production, and that is the single most important factor in the success of your orthodontic practice. But let me ask you a question. Are you happy? Now, you might think, oh, wait a minute, I want to hear more about referrals and production and systems, and you'll get plenty of that from me. But are you happy? It's really important to ask that question. And if you're honest, some scale of 0 to 10, some of you are a 3, some are a 6, some are a 7, some are a 9, and occasionally there's a 10. Now, most of you are going to say, oh, I'm a 10, because that's the popular answer. It makes you feel good. If you were talking to someone else, that's what you'd want to tell them, but it's not necessarily true. So if you want to be happy, what's the pathway? More money? No, that's not the subject today. Does money make you happy? How do you figure out how to be really happy? And the answer is something I teach in executive coaching. I have my own 6 clients that I work with in executive coaching. I coach them one-on-one to achieve their goals, to achieve their vision. It's so much fun watching these top performers just excel. And one of the concepts that I teach is the frustration list. Sit down and make a list of what's frustrating you. And that list can change day to day, week to week, month to month, or year to year. It can change like that, quickly, fast, overnight, because some frustrations go away, some solve themselves. But if you have frustrations and you're not sure what to do about them, get experts in your lives. I was just talking to one of my clients. I have a new executive coaching client, and I explained to him the most successful people surround themselves with experts. You don't want to do anything in your life that you can give to someone else, especially when you can hire people who have more expertise. Some people you'll have to pay. Most of them you should pay, because they're going to have a return on life investment and financial investment, perhaps, that's second to none. And some of them you won't have to pay. You'll be lucky enough to meet a mentor, someone who cares about you, or a friend, someone who's willing to contribute for free. But I've learned in life, it's not that you get what you pay for, although it's what you get what you pay for, that when you pay people, they are more focused. When you pay people who spend their lives thinking about how to solve what's frustrating you, your financial situation, your legal situation, maybe even your marital situation, and certainly your practice situation. When you have experts to guide you, you're faster, better results, and don't make mistakes. It's a big deal. So think about it. You want to be happier? Make a frustration list. Try to solve them. But if you can't, surround yourself with experts. That's what I do. I've got a whole team of experts in my life that I meet with regularly to advance the work I'm trying to do in my life. I am very happy, and I'm sure that's one of the reasons why. I want it for you too. As always, I wish you increased practice production and referrals every year, and I'll see you next week.